Every time I travel, I make it a point to record each unique moment. Climbing the mountain, diving into the ocean, and stuff like that. Because I love to do something activities to record with nature. My name is Galang, I'm a traveler and storyteller. Making sure every moment is captured perfectly is the key to my every trip. Because you can replay the moment. Before leaving to the main spot, I always make sure my equipment is ready to record the moment, especially for underwater. I check every set of my equipment, from making sure every rubber was working perfectly. I depend on the Fujifilm X T4 to capture every single moment of my trip. I can record 4K 60p 10:4:0, so I can slow down every moment up to 50% for my final results. With color depth and Fujifilm color science, I can easily get color what I want. Autofocus is also very important here, where the video taker must focus on the right point. Fujifilm X T4 can capture focus accurately, with eye detection and autofocus hybrid, which combines 425 phase detection points, with a contrast detection system for fast and accurate autofocus operation. With the variable screen and IBIS up to 6.5 stops on the Fujifilm X T4, it makes very easy for me to take video with a handheld. Stringing every moment I capture into a story that I want to convey to my audience. Therefore, every moment is very precious. So, the right equipment is needed to capture it. And here, I chose Fujifilm X T4.